Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mac, and today we are working on the Acura Integra. Acura Integra actually left me stranded on the road about a week ago. It's either fuel or distributor related, so we checked everything else. So we're gonna start troubleshooting it, but I have to do some swapping of vehicles so I can get this thing in the garage. We have the Camaro in the garage right now, so we gotta pull that out. We got the truck on the way, and the wife's car. Not really in the way. But the fun part is gonna be pushing this thing into the garage to work on it. Yeah. Not really looking forward to that. I don't know if you can see this big slope. I'm pretty sure if I roll the ball down here, it'd end up in those trees way over there. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna get some sunglasses. It's bright out here. Anyway, I'm gonna get some stuff cleared out. We're gonna start working on the Integra. Well, we pushed the car in here. I was supposed to record it, but I forgot to. How was it pushing the car uphill?
It was very easy.
Oh, very nice.
Very easy?
Yeah, very easy and very nice. We did not require 4 people.
Did not, it was just you?
It was just me.
Okay, good. We're totally, like, not telling the truth right now. Anyway, so the car is in here. It is backwards, which will give us more light to work on up here. I have some helpers for today. The owner of the car, and are you considered his best friend? Best friend, that's where we're going.
Definitely.
Definitely, I'm not lazy. I just really enjoy doing nothing. Okay. Well, we're not gonna be lazy today. So Chris, go in here, pop the hood. And let's go ahead and see what the car is doing. Why won't it start? So just crank it, see what it does.
Which one's which? You screwed me up there.
Oh my god. Chris isn't even listening to what I told him to do because he's already drinking his thingy. Go back in there. Do the. Let's see what it does.
I already know what it does.
Will you stop peeing on my garage, guys?
Couldn't help it.
Clearly, it's coming.
I'm in here for too long.
Yeah.
Going slower than.
Oh, that's battery time now.
Yeah,
Okay, we're gonna charge that. Yeah. Okay, so it's not one to start. We've actually been cranking it for a while. Not today, but just when the car broke down.
It's dying because he's been cranking it all the time.
Just cranking on it.
He's cranked it so many times.
Way too many times. Totally inappropriate cranking. Okay, let's put the charger on it, and we'll go from there. Okay, we'll be right back. We have charged the battery. That's what we took the battery out for. We've cycled the engine. We have this little spark tester, and we are getting no spark from these at all. We tried a few different ones, so it has to be something with spark. So the next steps are we're just going to check to make sure the fuel pump's kicking on, and then we can look at a few other things, just a process of elimination, just to make sure. Listen for the fuel pump turn on when you turn the key. Don't crank it on, you're just turning the car on to see if the fuel pump turns on. You hear that?
Listen.
Yeah, the whining? Yeah, the fuel pump's kicking on. Okay, so the fuel isn't the issue, it's spark. Which is what we assumed in the very beginning. So turn the car off.
It's already off.
Okay, so we can't hear the fuel pump. It is all spark related, so we gotta go check a few different things. Now we're testing the PCM by taking off this panel. And Chris looks really thrilled right now.
He looks astounded.
Well, let's just say when someone breaks your car and then is making you fix it, you know,
Hey, I'm not the one that makes these rules, okay? I don't know what you're talking about.
Your car breaks down, it's your objective to fix it.
Well, when the person that breaks it.
Oh, did he break it?
Yeah, someone like in the family kind of broke the car. So like,
Oh,
I know, right? Like, so
that guy's such a jerk.
mean.
Is he offering to at least pay for the fix?
Yeah, it's. Does it just come off now? Is there anything else attaching it?
Yeah.
I think it's just a panel, so I think I could. I don't want to rip it out though.
Well, it's probably snapped in there, so let's take a look at it. You may want to remove that first.
You mess with it. Grab my book.
Stop grabbing your book. See, there's a screw you didn't see, Chris.
Oh, was there?
Right now.
Oh, there was a screw inside the. That's good.
Yeah, there's a screw inside the screw.
The screw they're hiding screws.
Yeah, there's always hidden screws.
Damn those screw hiders. Curse them for making my job harder than it needs to be.
I know.
It sounded like you snapped something.
I'm pretty sure I broke something.
See, this is what I want.
What do you want? Pretty sure I lost the screw too.
Damn.
But I hear it. Oh, it pooped it out the back. Okay, I'm putting it into the computer.
Or you can just give it to him. He's holding on screws.
Screw holder!
I have the tray and I have the camera.
Okay.
And you have a drink.
And I have a drink.
Drink. I'm pretty sure this is it right here. I think a light turned off when I pressed that. That's not good. This is just metal piece. That's annoying. I think riveted in. How riveting.
Riveting?
How riveting. I think this is it. Okay, so this is what we've determined. We've taken off the PFM or PCM, one of these things. We took them off, and you're supposed to test for continuity in a few different areas, and I had continuity. I had voltage when I turn the key on. I had voltage when I go to start. All that's working. Also, when I
Guys, make me put it back together.
put it back together.
Now,
Yeah,
suck a big one.
like how big?
This big screw.
Oh, okay. Well, good luck putting that screw back in there. Anyway, the next thing to test is to make sure that you are getting fuel. When we do turn the car on, you can hear the fuel pump kick on. So we do know that's working. So everyone else is saying that it could be the ignition coil. So we went ahead and ordered one. It'll be here tomorrow. They don't have that in stock for some reason. So anyway, we'll try that out. If it doesn't work, we'll take the part back. Grand old day. Anyway, until I get back with that part.
I blame you. Doing it now because I don't have enough time. I have too much homework.
And he has a book to read.
And I have books to read.
You got a book to read. Let's see how well you did. Did you put this away?
I'll put it away. Where did my books go? Who did it? Who stole it?
Who done it?
Stole my book.
Okay, so it's that brown thing back there.
I have to kill somebody.
It's behind that relay,
Stole my book.
and you test for continuity and stuff. Anyway, you guys don't need to know about that just because it's not the problem. Otherwise, I would have showed it on the thingy. And yeah, next thing is ignition coil replacement. All right, another trip to AutoZone. Let's go get our part. We are back. We are removing the distributor cap, and we're going to be replacing the ignition coil. And we're going to see how the battery charged last night. Okay. Good. All that cranking's been killing the battery. Okay, you ready? What are we doing now? You're gonna get back in the car. You're gonna try to start it and see if it works.
That started immediately.
That started immediately.
That started before immediately.
That started like before you wanted to crank it.
I touched it and then it just and it turned on. And I was confused. Like, is it turned on? And then I didn't touch it for a while. And then
Did you?
it turned on.
Did you touch it a little bit?
I touched a little bit. It was like I was confused because it was too loud.
So if you guys ever get stranded on the side of the road and you have fuel pressure and your fuel pump's turning on, ignition coils are known to go out on these things. So you could test a few other things like I did inside the car, but I was not getting any spark. So I was able to test all that. Now that we're getting spark, the car starts. Awesome. I think Chris is happy now. He was actually pretty angry at me.
I was pretty angry because, you know, he was the one that broke it.
Uh-huh.
And then he's stopping what I'm doing to fix this. What he broke.
Do you want to go drive the car now?
I want to drive it now, to be honest.
Okay. So whatever you're doing is not that important anymore. Okay.
Well, this car,
Okay.
as long as it's working, it's my baby.
Honestly, this weekend we were supposed to sand down the hood and the roof. Yeah, we're supposed to get that all ready for paint. But Dad had to break his car, so anyway, here's the part number for the ignition coil, in case you do have a 91. And in order to remove one of these, it's actually really simple. So there's 3 bolts to remove the cap. There's one right here, there's one right here, and there's a third one back here, which is the one that we kind of struggled with way back here. There's only 3 holding this on here. And then there are 4 screws on here that hold this mounted down. And then there's the positive and negative leads. So real simple to remove one of these. This seemed kind of a little burnt out there. Looks a little rough. But not hard, real simple to do. You just need a Phillips head screwdriver and an 8mm socket to remove these. And I didn't even remove the spark plug wires, so it's actually not that bad. So technically anybody can do this. If I could do it, I mean, yeah, anybody can do it. If you like this video and you like the fact that a sad son turns into a happy son, please like and subscribe. If you feel that he should not have helped because I'm the one that broke it, please comment in the section. I'd like to hear what you say. Anyway, until next time, we are going to sand this hood hopefully next weekend and get the paint for that. Start to paint it, right? Paint. Go to Paint Town?
Paint.
Okay, now we got to shuffle some cars around here so we can start driving. Until next time, later.